Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into Aternos and opening your server dashboard so you can act immediately. Once done, create a quick backup. This protects your world if something goes wrong. Make sure you have operator privileges or access to the console. Without OP, you cannot change game mode. Now stop the server if it is running, because many changes require the server to be offline. This prevents file conflicts and ensures the config edits take effect correctly. With the server stopped, open Server. Properties or the Aternos Options panel and set Game Mode equals Creative. Save the file, because that makes the default world creative. Alternatively, once the server restarts, you can give yourself operator status and run the command /Game Mode Creative to switch immediately. If you use plugins like Luck Perms or Essentials X, configure group permissions to permit creative only for trusted players. Then restart the server. Restart the server and join to verify that you and other designated players spawn in creative. Confirm inventory and building abilities behave as expected. If something doesn't match, check the console logs for errors, plugin conflicts, or syntax mistakes in server. Properties are common culprits. Make sure no plugin is overriding game mode settings and reapply permission changes if needed. If problems persist, restore the backup you made earlier. Then repeat the steps carefully to isolate which change caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.